Ready to give your kids' room a fantastic makeover? Join us as we explore stylish, budget-friendly, and incredible fun ideas that will completely transform your home. Today, our topic, we are talking about kids' room makeover.
Okay, but isn't it like just as simple as, like painting a pink wall for a girl and a blue wall for a guy?
Wow, bro, you sibei creative ah.
What ideas do you have for a kid's room? Like makeover or something?
Have you thought of like adding a rock climbing wall in the kids' room to actually burn off their energy?
Actually, this idea very cool. It can make them exercise also. Can make them like burn their energy quite fast also.
Okay, not only that, if you add on some vibrant color, right, it can fit seamlessly right into the design.
Will it be expensive?
Definitely, it's not the cheapest option. Okay, but I give you a tips. If you renovate using Renopedia interior designer, right, you have the chance to take part in the lucky draw. You got a chance to win up to 50k. Then after that, you build the rock climbing wall.
But how many interior design firms does Renopedia recommend?
We recommend 5 to 8 interior design firms for you to choose from, depending on your budget and preference.
What if someone or some people, they don't want any rock climbing wall in their kids' room? Are there any cheaper alternatives or solution?
Basically, you can go for some simple decor item right, to spice out your kids' room after your home renovation has completed.
But we need to make sure the items or what are kids friendly also.
But if you want a calmer vibe in your high energy kids room, right, think about adding natural element like plants, rattan or wooden furniture to keep things interesting.
Any specific items you would recommend?
Maybe rattan shelves, fake plants, and wooden stool. They are easy to find and a nice touch to your exciting home.
You can like simply just grab them from any store in Singapore.
But there is an easier option.
Oh, what's the option?
Try filling out the room right with fun wall decals right to make the bedroom pop. Okay, so for this right, you need to buy some interesting and nice sticker such as like Marvel sticker, Disney sticker, cartoon sticker, and paste that on the wall of the kids' room. Make sure they are safe for the kids.
I think we can find those through online also, right?
Exactly. We hope these ideas and tips right will come in handy for your home renovation. Okay, for more home renovation inspiration, you can check out Renopedia.sg. So I see you at the next episode of Renopod.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.